Last year we had to form this team online, but I didn't know anyone, so I just joined the open teams and we all met online for a full year after winning the hackathon.
That creates friendship around the globe because some went from India, some went from Netherlands, Luxembourg, and I'm from France.
I'm really grateful I had the opportunity to take part in Acting Space 2020 and be part of the winning team Kepler. The whole team, me, Margot, Julie, Gabby and Sumit, we work very closely together during these 9 months.
Within our ecosystem as a technology business incubator, our scope is to work with research players, with commercial companies, with PhD students, for example, who wish to carry their venture, to have this habit of how to be skilled in demo, rapid prototyping. You know that policy, show me, don't only tell me. So this is what we try to make real.
Nice to finally meet up in person for the rover assembly here in Luxembourg.
So the idea in this lab is to emulate the visual appearance of the surface of the moon in order to develop algorithms for the perception, control, path planning, autonomous navigation for rovers or other robots on the moon.
I met a lot of amazing people, all the mentors, so people from iSpace, professors from the University of Luxembourg. Especially one of the mentors was Professor Miguel Oliveres from the Luna Lab at University of Luxembourg. I spoke to him about my interest to pursue higher studies in space engineering, and he suggested me to take a look at the Space Masters program. I just saw it and it just clicked, like it felt like a perfect match for me. I just took a call to come here and decided to pursue it.
Act in Space, it stimulates innovation, brings together industry, academia and young talents, and helps to identify and support future entrepreneurs for our space ecosystem.
We built the rover and it was a lot of fun, also because we were together as a team. Also got in touch with a lot of people from Gradle or Isoprint, so I liked it. At the end we got everything to work and now we are here.
In November 2020, we had Act in Space remotely. And since 2019, we have our local flavor of Act in Space. Now we wish to bring it to a next level. We are going to have a new edition of Space Hack. I think we got the roadmap to show you.